Welcome to today's video where we'll explore how to use Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, to query SQL Server Management Studio, SMS. If you're a database administrator or developer working with Microsoft SQL Server, this topic is crucial for automating tasks and enhancing your productivity. In this video, we'll delve into the world of VBA programming within SMS, covering its benefits, how it integrates with SQL Server, and most importantly, practical steps on how to query your databases using VBA. To begin our journey into querying SMS with VBA, let's first understand why this integration is beneficial. By using VBA in SMS, you can automate repetitive tasks, such as data backup and retrieval processes, or even customize the SMS interface to better suit your workflow need. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. Now, let's break down how to query SMS with VBA step by step. 1. Setting up your environment before you start writing any code. Ensure that you have SQL Server Management Studio installed on your computer and that it is properly configured for use with Visual Basic for Applications. This includes having the necessary permissions to execute VBA scripts. Accessing the Visual Basic editor within SMS, navigate to View, Object Explorer Details, or simply press 7. However, note that this step may slightly vary depending on your SMS version and how it's configured. 3. Creating a new module in the Visual Basic editor, you'll need to create a new module where you can write your VBA code. This is done by right-clicking in the Project Explorer, usually found on the left side of the screen, then selecting Insert, Module. Name this module something descriptive, so it's easy to identify later. 4. Writing your query. Here comes the fun part. Writing your query using VBA. You'll use the ADOB connection and ADOB record set objects to connect to your database and execute queries, respectively. This step involves setting up a connection string that points to your SQL Server instance, specifying the database you want to access, and then executing a SQL command. 5. Executing your VBA script. After writing your query, it's time to run it. Press 5 or navigate to Run. Run Subusform. This will execute your script, performing whatever task you've programmed, in this case, querying your database. Using VBA within SMS allows for automation of tasks and customization of the interface. Ensure proper setup of both SMS and Visual Basic Editor before starting. Create a new module to hold your VBA code for organization and ease of use. Utilize ADOB connection and ADOB record set objects to interact with your database. Carefully craft your connection string and SQL commands for accurate results. In leveraging VBA within SMS opens a powerful avenue for automating tasks, enhancing productivity, and streamlining processes for SQL Server administrators and developers. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the potential of integrating Visual Basic programming with SQL Server Management Studio. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it's been helpful, and consider subscribing for more content on optimizing database management and development workflows.